Eri kuteekateekwa kubaho niharaguzibwaho abantu bakurenga omutwaro gumwe na 10 abakuruga omu disitulikiti ya Bundibugyo hamwe n'ebicweka ebigyetoreire riri omu kabi kahango bwanyuma y'okugira ngu abakwenda eby'amagara ni bingi kandi bwanyuma irwariro eri rigyemeserezibwe kwakira abarwaire abarikutamizingamu emirundi 2 omuri abo bari bashemereire kuba nibaraguzaho abakazi abaine abaana barigire kuzaarwa abaana bato hamwe n'abandi barwaire nibagyemeserezibwa kuza omu bufunda kandi abandi babyama n'ahansi ahabw'okubura ebitanda.
It is beyond its capacity. It is beyond its capacity. We get patients from Nyauka, from other parts or other districts. Because the hospital, the Bundibugyo main hospital, it is the referral for the district.
Around 3,900 plus every month. And in a quarter, which is for 3 months, we go up to 11,276 people. You can see this is quite a big number. Our admissions, so we can admit up to 2,400 patients plus.
Abo kugira ngo irwariro eri tirine bikozese birikumara abarwaire abambarebure yoherezebwa ahirwariro erindi kilometers 50 kuruga hari rumwe ekiri kujemeserezebwa abantu aba okuremesebwa abo kugira ngo tubine na sente ezo kuraguza mu private clinics.
Sometimes we get late supply of medicines and other sundries, and you find that this also makes us have difficulties in providing service to
Warreri Dr. Masaiba James nagira ngu abembezi ba district hamwe n'ekitongore cy'ebyamagara bari bakora cyango okureba ngo bamaraho kizibu eki.
However, the district is working to make sure that they recruit a new radiology officer who can be able to cover up that. The Ministry of Health is in the final process of providing an X-ray unit that will provide the radiological diagnostic services.
Omuringo ngogumwe irwaro riine ekizibu cyo kugira ngo turine embazi erikumara ebikozesa ebikubasa kuranja abantu abakuruga mu district egi hamwe n'emyanya gyetoreire.
I took picture of the appearance of the quarters, which is quite miserable, and we needed to attend to them. So when we are talking of renovation of the hospital, it will be also that quarters and any building of the hospital will be considered.
Omuringo ngogumwe abakoza hirwariro eri nabo bari mu kwetombwita abo kugira ngo amajwi koraramu hamwe n'ebyo bakozesa okumukwenda kuhisya abantu buhereza tebirikumara. Kandi we Hassan Baguma Horumeya wa Bundibugyo Town Council yayereko kwatwaho ahabwa irwariro kurri kandi yashabe ekitongore cy'ebyamagara hamwe na government okuruga yaho naho bakataho mu nshongezi.
Upgrading a Bundibugyo General Hospital, either they upgrade the wards so that should have the capacity to accommodate the existing population. It is a homeless hospital, one without an X-ray. One in the X-ray, no in the scan, or private clinics.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Justin Nyakisiki awa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Bundibugyo.